Hello friends, welcome to another video. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to get black tick on Facebook. Watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's start to show you how to get black tick on Facebook. Okay guys, open your Facebook account, then click on three line. Now click on your profile. Okay guys, now you are in your Facebook profile. As you see, there is no black tick on your profile. To get black tick on your Facebook account, click on edit profile, scroll down and select bio, click on add. Okay friends, now type your Facebook name or any username. Type some of your name like Sahil Nekfar. I want to type my name. Now click on notebook and copy this symbol and paste here. Click on save and done.